The complaint by the Department of Coast Conservation and Coastal Resource Management alleging unauthorized construction and the placement of a Buddha statue within the Trinco City Coastal Protection Zone was taken up before the Trinco Magistrates Court on January 14th. 9 of the 11 suspects named in the case appeared in court, including Chief Incumbent of the Sri Sambuddha Jayanti Bodhiraja Viharya in Trinco, Venerable Trikunamale Kalyana Wansa Tissa Thero, Venerable Balangoda Kassapa Thero, Venerable Trikunamale Sukita Wansa Tissa Thero, and Venerable Nanda Thero. Police filed charges under the Coastal Conservation Act and for illegal construction, after which the magistrate ordered the suspects be remanded until January 19th. While in remand custody, Venerable Balangoda Kassapa Thero initiated a hunger strike, which was later temporarily suspended. The case was recalled today before the Trinco Magistrates Court, where 9 suspects, including the 4 monks in remand custody and another suspect, were produced before court. During proceedings, the councillor representing the All Ceylon Buddhist Federation, appearing on behalf of the monks, stated that while the initial charges related to the altercation during the enshrinement of the Buddha statue allow a magistrate to grant bail under the Penal Code, subsequent charges filed under the Coastal Conservation Act do not grant such authority. The lawyers for the defendants added that they were prepared to remove the cover over the statue. Following a proposal made by the Attorney General in the previous hearing, they said that if the structure covering the Buddha statue was removed, the charges under the Coastal Conservation Act could also be withdrawn. They therefore requested that the court dismiss the charges under the Coastal Conservation Act and grant bail to the suspects. However, the Trinco Harbour Police objected, stating that the charges under the Coastal Conservation Act cannot be withdrawn until the writs and fundamental rights petitions filed against the police in higher courts are resolved. The State Council also requested additional time to review the relevant writs and petitions. After considering the submissions, the Trinco magistrate ordered the further remand of the 4 monks, including Venerable Balangoda Kassapa Thero and 6 other suspects, until January 28th.
The police exerted heavy pressure, stating that the fundamental rights petition filed against them in the Supreme Court must be withdrawn. An agreement was reached that the magistrate could set a short date to determine whether bail can be granted to the suspects after considering the fundamental rights petition and other cases filed in higher courts and the removal of relevant section of the Coastal Conservation Act.